Welcome millionaires and billionaires, and welcome new subscribers. If you are new to the channel, guys, I suggest you join visionaryDefi Telegram. The link is also in the description, as well as the website. Because if you were part of the community in the Telegram when I recommended to buy Luna, when it dropped 99% to 100%, then you would have bought at the bottom. Then at this moment you would have already been up over 500,000% on your money. So that's over 300 to 500 x on your money. So this is why I suggest you guys join the Telegram, because sometimes I let you guys know in the Telegram which token is a good play. So we'll jump in the chart, guys, and I'm gonna share some information with you why I believe Luna will revert back to all-time high and go beyond the $100 range. I guess the top was $118 to $120 per coin, and I'm going to show you why this coin will go back up there and beyond. So guys, don't listen to the noise that's out there, and don't listen to the naysayers, because this is an opportunity that presents itself to you, and you are in the right place at the right time. Nothing happens by coincidence. Nothing happens by chance. So if we are looking at Luna on the weekly chart, the reason why you are seeing such volatility with this token is because it is moving on the weekly time frame, guys. This is where you will see these huge godly candles that is very volatile. So everything happens in the universe in patterns, guys. So this is how we can predict the future and predict certain outcomes based on patterns and cycles. So this is how you can predict price movement as well, because everything is connected in the universe, in life, in nature. So what we saw is I've always stated that you have contraction and expansion. That's all over in nature, the universe. So it's also in the chart. The chart itself is also like a living, breathing organism. So there's an expansion, then there's contraction. There's always going to be expansion and contraction in everything, guys. So the first expansion, then you had the contraction. Second expansion, small contraction. Third expansion. Then you had a huge contraction. Then price went back up, did a double top. Usually when you see a double top like this, guys, prepare for a huge drop to the downside. So look out for these patterns and look for at least 50% drop. In this case, this dropped beyond and down the cliff to the abyss. So this presented a huge opportunity for many people. So if you did get in when I did recommend, guys, you are in huge profit. So congratulations. And what we're going to do is we are going to look on a lower time frame, on a 1 minute chart, or even the 5 minute chart. We are going to look for the same pattern and predict the next price movement on the weekly chart, because each time frame, guys, creates the same pattern and it repeats itself. So I'm going to show you in nature before I show you in the chart here that everything happens in cycles and patterns. It's all in nature, guys. You can do this research on your own time. This is a beehive. See the patterns, the cycles. Everything repeats itself. So this is how the universe is able to predict certain outcomes and align things and people together to create circumstances and events. And The chart, I always use the Fibonacci extension. The Fibonacci extension is linked to this pattern here because everything is connected. So this is why the Fibonacci extension in the chart, which is here, the indicator is very accurate, guys. So this is Luna on, okay, this is Luna on the 15 minutes, right? So what we're going to do is remember this pattern here. The first rise, second rise, third rise, and you had a huge drop. So on the 50 minutes, you can see the similar patterns here. First rise, contraction. I wouldn't count this as much. So this is the second expansion, then a contraction. Then after the third contraction, then you usually see a huge drop, at least 50%. In this case, let's see the percentage drop that was in this chart. Let's see. We had a drop of over 60%. So this is a healthy chart, guys. So this is how you can predict the price movement. Then after this drop, okay, remember this drop here? This is the stage we are at, the third drop here. We are here, guys, on the weekly time frame. So if we go to the weekly time frame, we are here. Okay, let's erase this. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, we are here, guys. And what we expect is price to retrace back up at least close to 50% in this area. By that time, it's gonna get at least over $10, guys. So if you are holding bags over 10 million, then that pop, the huge price reverse, will make you a millionaire or a billionaire depending on how much you are holding. So this is where price will get here, back up here on the weekly time frame. So if we plug in the price movement here, we will see a price increase of 90%. So I expect at least a 50% rise to the upside on the weekly time frame. Then in price will continue to go back up like this chart is doing, guys. So this is why I advocate to hold, guys. This is the biggest opportunity in your lifetime. So like and subscribe and click the notification until I make videos on when to take profit, guys, and continue to double and triple your bags. And don't forget to join visionaryDefi Telegram so you don't miss out on anything else. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.